Hello YouTube. Today we're going to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube step by step. The first step is we need to get the whites around the yellow middle part. Remember that the middle parts don't move, so we work around them. So in order to do this, we just put the yellow side on top and then find the white pieces and just intuitively bring them up. Bring them up. Okay, it doesn't really matter how, just any way you find comfortable. This is an intuitive part. Okay, now that we've got this part, we want to bring it down and to have the same color fit with the middle part. Okay, so in order to do this, let's say we need the green to match the green, and then turn it back down. The orange matches the orange, turn it down. The red matches the red, turn it down. And then the blue, find the blue side, turn it down. Now we've got matching across. Okay. So the next step is to have the lower first floor done and the white area full. Okay. In order to do that, we need to bring the corners with the right colors back down. Okay, so here we've got the green and an orange. So we'll turn it. If you got the orange and the white on the left, orange on the side. So remember, this is a move you'll always do on the left side. And then the corner came down. Let's see, we've got another orange one and the blue. Orange and blue. If it's on top, we do it this step 2 times till it fits. Okay. Now we've got this one and the right colors, so we just do this step a few times till it fits into place. Okay. And this is not in the right place. This is not in the right place, so let's see. Okay, red and blue. Okay. Now the red and the green. So we've got the first floor done. Now we need to build the second floor. Okay, the second floor, we need to make sure that we have the same color fits the centerpiece, okay? And we bring them down from the top. So here we've got the red and the green on top, so we'll match the red and the green. If it needs to go to the right, we'll turn it to the left. And then, and again. There we go. Okay, I'll do it till we'll finish it. The blue, we'll match the blue. The orange is on the left, so we'll turn it away from us. Okay. Now we've got the blue and the red. Always away. We need to bring it here, but this will turn away from us. Okay, and the last one, orange and green. So we'll turn it away. Okay. The next step is to make a yellow cross on top. Like this, and it doesn't matter what color are the sides. In order to do that, if we have this situation, we'll always have this L in front of us. If we don't, it doesn't matter, it's the same steps. If we have a line, it will always be parallel to us. And then front to the right, and then and front to the left. Okay? If it doesn't work for the first time, we'll just do the same step again. Okay? But now we've got the cross on top, and now we need to find to match these parts. Okay, to have the same color with the yellow, like this, but all on all sides. We'll see if we can see. Okay. Usually, when we rotate the top, we can find two matching corners. But if we don't have that, we'll do the same. Okay, let's see what we have here. Blue fits, green and red. Okay, that's okay. So we'll keep them to the right. Okay. Now we'll begin with the right, and then 2 times. And then we move this piece. Let's see. And it fits. Now we've got the cross on top with the matching colors on the sides. The next step is to match the colors of the sides to the colors of the panes. Okay, so we need to have the corners right. They don't have to be in the correct place, but the colors need to be matching the sides. Okay, so let's see. Here we've got the correct colors, orange and green. They're on the correct sides. Here we've got blue and orange and green and red. Those are not matching. So we'll keep the corner with the right colors to the right. Let's see. This one. And now we'll turn the top panel, and then this is how we move the top corners. So this fits. Let's see, red and blue is fine. This is correct. Okay, if it doesn't arrange with the correct corners, we'll just do the same step again. Now in order to rotate the corners, I'll just show you again if we need to move the corners. Okay, we'll keep the correct corner on the right, and then we'll start with the top. Okay. Okay, in the next step, we'll just finish the cube. Okay, let's see. We've got the right corners on the right sides. Okay, and all we need to do is turn them to rotate them. So look closely. Okay, now when we have the yellow part right, we'll turn the corner and bring the other piece that needs to be turned. And that's it. Good luck. Have fun. If you liked this video, and if it helped you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you the next time.